现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT, and this month it's all about music from Senxiang and Ban. Now this song is called Water Snowflake Goes to the Market because it talks about how back in the days when Taiwan joined the World Trade Organization, water snowflake farming replaced tobacco farming in Kaohsiung's Meinong district. And due to lack of manpower, foreign labor was brought in, but sometimes things get a little complicated, and they're singing all about it. Let's take a listen.
强吹鼓作双轮班，也连水下村，大盘细盘将主文，一公玉西苦，烟照火兰水衣服，昂地移民国。用蝙蝠雅典出走，雅典出走，万的点东到海山大草轮桥，雅典出走，雅典出走，万的点东到海山大。
草嫩姜脆又爽哦，到底是什么呢？就是好吃的野莲，而这首歌叫做《雅莲出种》，就是野莲出庄，是声翔乐队时代的歌曲，描述当年烟草没落，农夫后来就改种野莲所引申出来的一些故事哦。好，我们来继续收听吧。
一路心姜烧，爱人通爱讲春天，饮水金棒上，精神棒细。皮骨爽，好定南洋心内爽，也会探亲天书多，有做事吧生一家，眼光目的全球在地方。
Again, the song is called Water Snowflake Goes to the Market, and now I want to go to the market and get some water snowflake. There you have it, another Hakka song right here on ICRT. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.